Alright guys, gotta go pick up my son, and there's a huge storm, so I'll be trying to drive. Wish me luck. Man, I can't see a damn thing. Hey, son. You gotta love Canada. Jeez. I can't see a damn thing. Gotta pick up my son. Driving on average 20 kilometers an hour. Yeah, typical Canadian winter, just driving blind, very slowly. It's less intense when you look this way though. Stupid window doesn't open. Yeah, it's a horrible storm. Stopped on the side of the road. Have to remove the ice and stuff. Alright, cool. Let's do this. Oh, we can keep the light on.
Probably better without.
Without, no. You can at least see.
See, quickly wipe off some of the
Here it's not too bad. It's when you get on the other road there, jeez. It doesn't go down. I tried to bring it down there.
Oh my
god. Have a good time at your girlfriend's?
Yeah.
So I heard you got into a band?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you did the audition and they were okay with it?
Yeah.
What about your girlfriend?
Yeah. They've been looking for a vocalist, and when I sent the video, they were like, "Oh my god, yeah, he's good. Do you know the guy?" I'm like, "I know him a bit better than you think." I'm like, "He's a girl." And well, he's my girl. She's my girlfriend. And he thought it was really funny. He's like, "Oh, you're joking. I don't know any guy who's like that."
Yeah. Okay, so is the group good? Okay,
Decent. Oh my god.
Yeah. There, I'll turn off the lights just to show it.
The bassist is good. The guitarist, he's new. Holy crap.
Well, the thing is that you just have to. Either I bring my window down like this, the other one's frozen shut.
Oh,
look at this. Look, film it, dude.
Oh my god.
You gotta film it, how bad it is.
I can't see.
That's the whole point.
It's
You're
horrifying. I can see Stein.
Well, we're going 30 kilometers an hour there.
Go slower.
Hey?
Go slower.
Well, it's not dangerous. Like, I got my brights on now. If I see a car, a light ahead, I just pull over. I just like directly stop. Yeah, welcome to Canada.
Canada.
Well,
and the camera's not doing any justice.
Eh?
The camera's not doing any justice.
No, it's worse in reality, but just keep on filming. I thought it would be cool to have you film it.
Oh god, this is
My mom's
scary.
gonna be mad. She'll be like,
"You're driving with children."
You shouldn't be driving. The weather.
I have work tomorrow.
Yeah, you gotta work.
better not be like this in the morning.
Eh?
Better not be like this in the morning.
Well,
Still in
they
day-
warned about the forecast there.
Yeah, well, the day it's considered extreme weather.
Like we had to, Josiah had to go work in Dorio, so we called in, told him call in sick there. I'm not picking you up. I'm not driving. Oh, look at this! Look at
Oh
this!
my God!
All right, let's start over.
Oh,
Did you see that?
yeah. I still can't see
I
it.
can't see a damn thing.
Oh my God! Let's just walk. it's
I'm
safer.
going 20 kilometers an hour there. It's gonna take forever to get home. Show me too, but.
Yeah. Damn. I wish we had Emma's Jeep.
Well, it's not even about a Jeep. Like you can't see where you're going, so you have to rely on because the side, the right and left side show. So
Yeah.
what I would do usually, but the right side because the wind was on the right, it froze. Watch out! Don't forget we're filming. It froze the right side of the window. I've been trying to open it, but I can at least look here on the left, so I can see the bank. So I'm actually like using the left side snowbank to direct me. I can see a bit the right, but so like you're going 20. Okay, well I'm going 50 now there, but you go like 20 kilometers. You take your time. You drive. You can't see anything in the front, but you can concentrate on the left and right bank. It's a bit easier if you have lights, but we live in a cornfield, so there's no lights, so it's pitch dark, there's no lights to guide you, and
You can only see 5 feet in front of you.
yeah, like watch, look forward. This is my brights, and this is what the low does. Actually, the low is actually better.
Yeah.
See, watch this, right? It's harder to see when it's
Well,
bright.
yeah, it's
and then lower.
mesmerizing.
Yeah.
The bright's honestly more fun.
Eh?
The bright's a bit more fun.
Yeah. Jeez.
Oh, it's even worse because the whole road's ice.
Eh?
The whole road's ice because it was raining most
Yeah,
of
I
the day.
know. Like forget about you can't see. Then either you're getting stuck in a snowbank, or you're sliding off the road. But I mean, if you're going like I'm doing like 20, 30 kilometers an hour.
Like we're crossing that's like 15 feet away. It took us a good 2 seconds to get past it.
Yeah. No, it's pretty good. Okay, so let's talk about your band a little bit.
Okay.
So it's what I guess it's like rock and roll. Like, geez, I sound old. You got that Corrado? You doing that Corrado? Like it's hard like metal or
Yeah.
it's a metal band.
Yeah.
Alright. Better not be singing anything satanic.
No.
Better not. Do like what is that hard metal Lamb of God?
Yeah. Our band's gonna be more like there's a band called Cattle Decapitation, where it's actually a Christian band, and you wouldn't expect it, but they're mostly talking about like the world and what's going on in the world.
Well, that's good.
And it's all about like the truth of what's actually happening.
Damn it, we got somebody in the back.
The band's it's called Matrix because like Matrix is basically like where. Oh my God.
Ah!
Oh God,
Shit,
where
shit.
are we?
Ah!
Oh,
Okay.
I would felt safer jumping out.
Hey? Ah, man, I almost did it. Like, I almost lost it there.
But yeah, it's Matrix, so it's basically like, like how the Matrix where like, fake world's like full of lies and all that.
Yeah. Watch
And
out, make sure you're filming good.
The
though.
band's supposed to be like escaping Matrix, so it's basically like telling the truth of how things actually are.
Okay, good. Look at this now. Oh! Can't see a thing. Now it's more stressful because, keep it straight, dude.
Yeah?
Because we got a car in the back and it looks like a truck. These trucks usually like...
Might even be a plow.
Eh?
Might even be a plow.
No, a plow would run me off the road, those idiots. So you got to get back into the drumming there because you had stopped because you were doing all the mechanic stuff?
Somehow we thought I was supposed to be some drummer ever though.
Alright, great.
Because all the other drummers that they've had, they were all always high and they didn't have it. And they weren't like functional at all.
Like drugs and stuff you're talking about?
Yeah, like not even hard drugs, just like regular, just smoking weed. But
Oh, it's
they
the
were
truck, see? damn.
They didn't have any.
That's true.
Yeah, their drummers didn't have any tolerance, so
Yeah.
they weren't functional. And half the time they just sit down, pass out on their couch
That's not
when they're
good.
supposed to be drumming.
You're supposed to do drugs and completely ruin your life once you're made. You know, you don't
Yeah.
you don't do it when you're like trying to get into it. I
Yeah.
mean, come on, get with the program.
Oh my God, this is crazy.
Canada.
Canada.
Got the Canada driving. Alright, when you can't see it, it blows too much, you freaking stop there. When I was coming, I literally had to get out of the car to recognize the landmarks. Like, where the hell am I? I actually passed the road. Imagine, like, this is like
We
my
drive here
town.
every day.
Yeah.
Kind of mesmerizing because once the snow gets close to the car, it just looks like it's stopping in front of you, and then it hits.
Yeah. Almost home, man.
Earlier, did we pass home yet?
We did pass on.
I think we're about to be there.
Oh, the car coming. Okay, all right.
Oh, we're right by the hill. I recognize the speed thing.
Yeah, just go slow. No, they're good. They're on the left.
Now we're in town.
Right?
Now we're in town.
Yeah. Howdy.
Now it's even more scary because you can't see and you might just hit into someone's house.
Drive into like somebody's like living room. They're like, oh, that movie's playing again.
Oh,
Look
you
at
watching the
here, look at
Grinch? Oh,
Hey, jeez. You see that guy?
that was a lady.
The lady, it's like, sorry, like she's just walking right out into the freaking road. You see that?
Yeah, we can't see it. We can't see it, lady.
Like, not a good time when you see lights coming. I know you're trying to shovel. Why the heck is she shoveling in the middle of the store? She's like,
In the middle of
I gotta keep up with this. Well, I understand. Like, you may as well shovel it like now so that half of it's gone
but
there.
Still, while there's all these cars going by, we gotta do it. Wait till 3 in the morning.
All right, we're home. We're home.
I
We
think.
made it. Underlay.
Jeez, you can't even see the lights, barely.
Alright, you can film the house there. Look at that beautiful house.
Yeah, we cheaped out on lights this year.
Yeah, we cheaped out. Alright. That's the end of the video.
Even the driveway feels like you're going through the.
We made it
Bye.
home. We're safe. Another Canadian winter.
Okay, so you're good now?
My son actually found my wallet. I actually dropped my damn wallet
That's why I've been
on the
saying
way to
this.
the car, and he found it. Imagine, because you know they would have plowed this, the driveway up, and I would have found this in the summer. All right, no, it's crazy. Noah's like, is this your wallet?
I've been doing your stuff.
Melted, you would have seen it next year.
Yeah, I know. I'm serious.